This might be too real, too real. Too real.
Still asking, do you
Alright you guys, so today I'm about to show you how I make my coconut chicken curry, coconut curry chicken, whichever way you like to say it. I'm about to show you how to make mine. So today I'm making mine with some bone-in chicken thighs. I'm not making a lot. This right here is 4 chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast. You can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Whatever you want. A lot of people make this with chicken legs. Whatever. This is what I'm using. Also, you're gonna need some of my seasoning. Of course, there's always going to be a link in the description box below where you can go purchase my seasoning. It's really good. Very nice and complex, as you can see. If you're lacking and you don't have my seasoning, use some adobo with pepper. It's not gonna taste exactly the same, but it'll be close, okay? Next, I have some parsley, some sazon tropical. Of course, to make curry chicken, you're gonna need some curry. Okay, this is the curry I like to use. I like to use this one. I like to use the Blue Isle one, the Grace's one. Any good curry powder. If you open that cap and the curry smells nice and fragrant, it's some good curry powder. Of course, we're gonna waken it up when we cook it. All right, you're gonna need a little ground black pepper. I like this nice coarse ground black pepper. It's my favorite. Some minced garlic, some coconut milk. This right here is what I'm using. I use all kind of coconut milk. This one is a good one. You're gonna need a little vegetable oil. This right here is some Better Than Bouillon garlic base. All right, I got garlic base, garlic, minced garlic. My seasoning has garlic powder. Like, I love garlic, so if you're not a super garlic fan like me, you don't have to use all the garlic that I use, all right? And right here, I have some scallions, some green onions, and that's all you need to make a bomb coconut curry chicken, coconut curry, coconut chicken, however you like to call it, okay? With this curry chicken, I'm going to be making some white rice. I am actually going to film me making the white rice because the last time I made white rice, a lot of people said that they had like issues making white rice. So I'm going to show you how I make my white rice. It will probably be in the video after this one. Alright, so that's all you need. Let's go ahead and season up this chicken. Alright you guys, so I have my chicken nice and cleaned up. The first seasoning I'm going to put in is, of course, some of my seasoning. The link in bio. Okay. Next, some sazon tropical. Some black pepper. Finally, some parsley. Now we're going to go ahead and mix this up with some clean hands. Alright, this looks good. I like to let my meat marinate for like at least half an hour, 45 minutes, the longer the better. Just to let that seasoning get up in there. Make sure it's nice and well seasoned. Here's a close-up. Look at that. See how you can see that seasoning all over? Okay, even though we're making a sauce, you want to make sure your meat is seasoned. Okay, see that? Alright. Okay, so I have my skillet heating up here. I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Let that heat up. So our pan has heated up. We're going to go ahead and add the chicken thighs to the pan. Skin side up. Alright. All this seasoning and liquid that's in your seasoning bowl, don't throw it out and rinse it out yet. We're going to use that when it's time to make our sauce. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and brown this chicken up on both sides. All right, so our chicken is ready to flip. Oh, look at that. Beautiful color. Beautiful. It smells so good. What? Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell it. But you gotta make this. When you make it, you'll smell it. It smells so good in here. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and brown up that skin. Alright, so this chicken is ready to turn. Beautiful. I'm gonna cook it on the meat side again for a few minutes. Y'all, it smells so good in here. Okay, so these are looking really good. I'm gonna take them out the pot. Wow, it smells so bomb. I know I keep saying that, but it really smells good. Look at, y'all, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, now to this oil, I'm going to add a tablespoon of curry powder. Okay, don't go too heavy on the curry powder because too much curry powder will definitely make your dish bitter. Okay, so we're gonna wake up this curry powder in this oil for like a minute. Oh, that smells. Alright, next I'm gonna add a teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillon garlic base. Make sure I get all that off my spoon and not scrape my pan. Yo, this smells so good. Next, I'm gonna add in 2 chopped scallions. Make sure to save a little bit for garnish. Oh my gosh, that smells so bomb. Now, what I want you to do is take that can of coconut milk and pour it into that bowl that you seasoned the chicken in, just so you could get that extra flavor. So now I'm pouring in the coconut milk. Okay, next I'm going to add 1/3 of that can filled with water. Not a lot, just a little bit of water. That's just 1/3 of the can, okay? Bring this to a simmer. Alright, so our sauce is simmering, as you can see. Yeah, I cannot explain how good this smells. Now we're going to add the chicken back in. We're definitely going to pour in some of that juice, you know, from when it was resting that came out. And now we're going to put the top on. Okay, if you don't have a top, use some tin foil. And we're going to simmer this on, I say medium-low for like 15 minutes. And then we're going to come back and check it. All right, y'all. So it's been about 20 minutes. Ooh, that smells so good. We'll go ahead, baste the chicken with some of the sauce. I don't like super soggy skin, so even though I'm basting it, I'm not going to flip it into the sauce, if that makes sense. Alright, so we're gonna let this cook for like, let's say another 20 minutes, and then we're gonna check it and see if it the meat starts to get flaky and releases from the bone. So it's been another 25-30 minutes. Ooh, that looks good. Let's see this meat. Oh, look at that. See how tender that is? Oh, this is ready. Look at that. See that meat falling apart? Oh, that's ready. Alright, let's plate up. Alright, so my rice is ready for our curry chicken. Look at that, y'all. Perfect white rice. Okay, I did film this recipe, show you how I make my perfect white rice. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, you guys, so here is my coconut curry chicken. Look at that. Perfect color, nice consistency. My rice is perfect. Absolutely beautiful. You guys be sure to leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up. Okay, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys. Yeah, look at this. Oh, y'all.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.